This is the little loop that my wife found on here. I'm just going to first show you, I'm going to send some directions to the car. So we're going to go to Toronto Pearson Airport. So you just, the address here. So just cross it over like that, highlight it, then go share. Look over here, share to Tesla. So this is just a quick video on some features that you can do on your Tesla when you're sending directions and you need to move things about or change what you want to do. Say you wanted to go to a Starbucks, but you want to move it around, or you wanted to get a fill up. This is just a quick kind of cool thing here. Okay, so I'm going to pick where I picked. So we're going to go there and get that set up. It's got all the directions set up. Now what I want to do here is I want to add stop. So we put that in there, and we are going to in Grimsby. So we got that added in, so it's going to stop on the way there and stop at a supercharger there. Now I'm just going to decide that, okay, no, I think I can make it there. We'll maybe get that supercharger on the way home. So you can go into here, edit trip, and then we can move down here, and now it'll go afterwards. So that's kind of a cool trick. So now it's going to go to Toronto and go to the Grimsby station afterwards. So you can edit your trip and change when you want to go. If you're behind, you're like, okay, can't afford to get the charge on the way there, I'll do it on the way home. So it's just a quick little thing I thought I'd show you. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more videos.